I'm Dinah Wulf with DIY Inspired, and today I'm going to show you how to make regular shipping boxes into these beautiful felt-lined fabric storage boxes. Grab the shipping box that you would like and cut off the flaps. I measured the exterior fabric first. Now you want to find the center of your fabric. So for this box, I measured about 4 1/4 on each side. Next, you're gonna draw a line where you marked, and you should have a 4 1/4 line on each side. Now we're gonna flip it and do the other side. Next, use your fabric scissors and cut out the 4 outer squares. Next, you're gonna add some glue onto each flap and fold up. Now that you have lined the outside of the box, you're ready to line the inside of the box with your felt. I use the chalk lines on this side. I'm gonna flip it over to see how well I did my measurements on this side. So I found this corner molding. You also need a handsaw like this one. Now the corner molding should fit each side, and you may get some rough edges, so you're gonna sand all the edges to make them smooth. I chose a Kona color stain to go with my boxes, and I just used a clean rag to apply the stain. Make sure you get both ends and then the insides of the corner mold. Now you're just going to apply some hot glue and place them on each of the 4 corners to hide the cardboard. Being the upcycler that I am, I went to a thrift store and scored on this bag of hardware for just a few dollars, and I decided to spray paint them gold to match my decor. For these, I couldn't find screws that were short enough to go through this box, so instead I'm using a strong industrial strength glue to attach them. So what I'm going to do is just to poke a little X in the box where I want these grooves to fit. And there you have it, custom-made DIY budget-friendly storage boxes to fit your home decor. Thanks so much for watching.